Hi, it's Marielle, Mom and a Girl with Plans, and I am really excited to show you this Disney Colorblock collection with Mickey and Minnie. And this is, I think, my favorite Disney collection so far. I adore the colors. I think it's just right up my alley, and I love everything about it, and I'm so excited to share it with you. So I'm going to kind of go through everything that I got in this collection, and then we'll look at the planners, and I'll put a separate video with all the accessories that we can go dig into more detail. But this is the medium set of discs, and it's got the gold Mickeys, the mint, and the salmon color little mini bows. And this, I mean, these are so pretty. I love the colors, and they go wonderful with this collection. Alrighty. You guys, are you ready for this? Red metal discs, and these have Mickey cut out on them. These are amazing, and they're going to go perfect on the Mickey planners. These are some vinyl stickers, and again, these colors and the graphics are perfect. Some dashboards. These are amazing. These are the large scale stickers, kind of like the Mambi sticks. So you can put them in your planner. You can use them for crafts, all different kinds of things. These are some stickers. And then we've got a sticker book, of course. And again, I will flip through this separately. Now these are a new product. These are removable decals. And these you could use on windows, mirrors. I mean, kind of the sky's the limit. You could do a bunch of really cool things. You can even use them like on a whiteboard, on glass, on a frame, anything. So I'm excited to play with these as well. Then there is a planner companion pack that we'll go through. A planner accessories. An undated vertical extension pack in this color block pattern. And some really pretty mini paper with Mickey in yellow on the back. So I'm excited to dig into all of those. But first up, we've got the planners, and there is a guided journal in here that I'll look through as well. So let's just start with the big news. The big news is that we finally have a big Disney planner. Their other planners were always classic or mini, and so this is the first big Disney planner, and I know all of you who love the big planners are going to be really excited to use this one. So let's check it out. The little Mickeys. This is my favorite thing. I love the colors in there. I just love the classic Disney with the really bright, fresh colors. This big magical planner. I love it. And super cute. I love all the different years at a glance. I just think each planner has such a fun take, and this one is no exception. It is awesome. And it goes along with that color block theme. Okay, I really, really like this. This has all of, again, the months with the shaded weekends, and I just love, a lot of times we see them where each page, or each spread is one color. But this has it alternating throughout, and I love it. Okay. Oh. Again, these colors are gorgeous. So we've got the open dashboard, which really lets you customize it to use any way you want. You could use it for memory planning. You could use it for like a recap of what happened the month before. You could use it for journaling. I mean, just about anything, or your plans for the month ahead. Okay, real magic happens when you are positively you, and it's got some silver foil. And here we've got, the fonts are also, I love all the lowercase. It's again, really fresh and modern. And then we've got all the holidays, and then it's got some even fun ones like Disneyland opening day. That's so neat. And we've got just a small detail here of what's going on for the month. Oh, I love this. And then your weekly is black, but it's got this simple days up here in those same beautiful rainbow colors, and then little black and white Minnie and Mickey right there. Oh, that is so, I love this. I'm already thinking, I might have to switch my memory planning because that's just perfect. And then we've got Always Trust Your Heart with the little like Mickey disc. And I believe these are, okay, so these are all the same because we've got the nice, fun, colorful variation. So let's take a look at the dividers. The world needs your special kind of magic. I love the color blocking. Oh, always find something to smile about. And then Mickey and Minnie expressions. Better together. Oh, Mickey and then Minnie bows with the silver foil. Kind words cost nothing. Oh, the big giant Mickey and Minnie. Find joy every day with the silver foil dots and silver foil lettering. Wonderful days are ahead. And happy day. This one runs through June of next year. Oh, I love these colors. Oh, wow. Okay, this one really kind of blew me away. I really love it. I didn't know if I was going to switch, but I don't know. I might have to switch to this for my memory planning. I just think it's really fun. And if not, I'm definitely going to be Franken planning with it. Okay, let's take a look at the next one. This is a dashboard layout. So let's see, Be Happy with the gold foil. And we've got the same pretty color block insert. This is a little bit more bold. We've got our Mickey and then the classic older Mickey. That's kind of fun to see the difference. And then we've got the months that change colors. Be your best self. Let's check out, I didn't even check out the dashboard layout. So again, it's very similar. This is a really neutral, just like gray. It's got tiny little Mickeys and then little gray Mickeys behind these numbers, if you can see those. And then the days of the week are these rainbow colors, all lowercase, just really modern and fresh. And I believe they're all going to be the same. So stay true to you. The big Mickey on the mint. Be Happy with gold foil. Oh, that's so cute. Best times are ahead with the music notes, the rainbow. I just think these graphics are really cool. I'm like, I would wear this on a shirt. There's Mickey, rainbow with expressions. It's a good day to have a good day. Seek magic every day. The little Mickeys with the light blue on the green. Start living your dreams. Be kind, stay still. Stay silly, love more. And plan your dreams. Don't we all, right? And notes. That is so cute. So I am in love with this series. I think it's perfect. And next up, we've got a Minnie in this color block series. This mini magical happy planner. I love that. And then we've got the color block, You're at a Glance. Oh, look how cute. It's like the little rainbows again. Alrighty. Be Your Best Self. Let's take a look. There's our monthly and our horizontal. It's just like the big, but shrunk down to be teeny tiny. Best times are ahead. So yeah, these are going to be the same dividers that we've seen. Oh, this one looks different. Life doesn't have to be perfect to be wonderful. That's so cute. This one is also different. It's got the gold lines with the Mickey expressions in the rainbow order. Start living your dreams. Seen that. Seek magic in every day. It's a good day to have a good day. This is the one that gave me trouble. Be kind, stay silly, and love more. And plan your dreams. All right. So those are the classics. Let's take a look at a journal while I'm doing Mickey's. This is the Always Find Something to Smile About journal, and it's again in this Colorblock series, one day at a time. Oh, cute. We've got the Minnie bows and the Mickey heads. Do good and good will come to you. All right, so this is again an undated journal. So if you miss a day, you miss a week, it's okay. It's always there and ready for you to pick up. So this has got some great prompts to try to help you throughout your week. Like, let's see, what was the best thing that happened today? Something that made me laugh today. Small victories. What did you learn today? How I showed kindness to others and myself. I love this. Songs that make me happy, what I'm feeling grateful for. So all of these are going to focus on positivity and just help you, really reflect and journal and help with, well, for me, it would definitely help with being grateful and my attitude and my mood and just tracking how I'm feeling. So this is something that I've wanted to do and I haven't taken time to do, and for myself, but maybe with this really cute little Mickey and Minnie one, I might start doing it. Okay, so then we've got the cute Mickey kissing Minnie divider, and then these start again. There's just a lot of different prompts and things that can keep you going through the week. And then this one is see the good in all things and happy day. Great. Well, thank you so much for watching. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you found a Disney planner in here that you love. I just adore this collection. I love the colors and it's so fresh, and all the design and style that went into this. I really think that the designers at Happy Planner knocked it out of the park with this one, and I might be switching to this for just my journaling that I do, because the fun little colors and there's a tiny hint of Mickey every week I think would be a fun little treat and put a smile on my face. So I might be doing that. I might be making the switch. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And I would love it if you'd hit the like, subscribe, and reminder bell so that you can see all the videos from me. Thanks so much and have a great day.